Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Btech Khaka. In this video, I am going to explain the key points step by step in a clear and practical way. This video is specially for students who did not get placed on campus or targeting off-campus jobs 3 to 5 LPA range. If you are feeling stuck or left behind compared to your friends, this video will help you understand what to do next. The real problem: you completed your 4 years degree but still no job while your friends got placed. The main difference is not intelligent, it is strategy. They focus on smart work, not just hard work. What is meant by smart work? Knowing what to study, practicing important question, preparing based on company patterns. My observation from the last 5 years of analysis, around 80 to 90% of coding questions are repeated. Company did not ask completely new questions every time. If you're preparing the right set of questions, you can easily crack exams. What you should do now, even if you did not prepare in 4 years, no problem. Follow this simple plan. Revise top 100 coding questions, practice basic MCQs, aptitude plus CS fundamentals. Prepare computer networks, SQL, pseudocodes. Just 3 to 5 days of focus preparation can make a big difference. What I am providing. In this description, I will share top 100 coding questions PDF, basic MCQs PDF, computer network MCQs PDF, SQL MCQs PDF, pseudocode questions PDF. Those are the enough to crack most company tests. Target companies. With this preparation, you can aim for companies like Accenture, Capgemini, TCS. In the next video, I will solve top 100 coding questions with Python CSS solutions. Make it easy for beginners. Final motivation, guys, did not feel discouraged if you did not get placed earlier. You still have a strong chance, just follow the right strategy. Consistency plus smart work equal to job. If you find this helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching and all the best for your placement. Have a nice day, guys.